Men walking along the railroad track, they're going someplace, no going back. Highway patrol choppers coming up over the ridge. Hot soup on a campfire under the bridge. Shelter line stretching round the corner. Welcome to the new world order. Families sleeping in their cars in the southwest. No home, no job, no the highway is alive tonight. Where it's headed, everybody knows. Sitting down in the campfire light.
Es guapo,
Lots of people out east, they say, leaving home most every day, beating our hot and dusty way to the California line.
Vamos arriba, arriba, arriba. Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Mira.
Your number 14,000 for today. Oh, if you ain't boys, you ain't got that do-re-mi. Well, you better go back to beautiful Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Georgia, California.
Qué bruto. Qué bruto tú. Ahí está.
Paradise to live in or see. But believe it or not, you won't find it too hard if you ain't got that do-re-mi.
Now Tom said, wherever there's a car beating a guy, wherever a hungry and newborn baby cries, where there's a fight against the blood and hatred in the air. Look for me, Tom, I'll be there. Where there's some